We're beginning our coverage with the poisonous air that we're breathing right here in the national capital in Delhi. Delhi continues to have air which is hazardous to human health. It's a health emergency in the national capital. The air quality index currently stands at 318, which is in very poor category. The air quality has, however, improved marginally from what it was the day before, but still poisonous. And people don't have a choice. You have to breathe this air. Meanwhile, Supreme Court is all set to hear the plea on air pollution in Delhi and NCR. The Apex Court on Saturday suggested two-day lockdown to curb pollution levels. The Delhi government is also going to be apprising the top court about a possible lockdown in Delhi. Centre will respond on steps taken to improve air quality. The Delhi government has already shut down schools, colleges, halted construction activity for this particular week. The government has issued a work from home advisory for private and government office employees. Kejriwal's fight against COVID plan came after the Apex Court wrapped centre and state over air pollution crisis in the national capital.
बात से बट गवर्नमेंट ने जो इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं उसकी वजह से डिफरेंस आया है. आंखों में इरिटेशन और थ्रोट पेन वगैरह ज्यादा था, बट अब थोड़ा डिफरेंस है.
पोल्यूशन अभी देखा जाए तो काफ़ी है वैसे, जबकि दिवाली में पटाखे वगैरह कुछ नहीं जले, लेकिन उसके बाद भी काफ़ी पोल्यूशन है, क्योंकि सवेरे जब निकलो तो सांस लेने में थोड़ी दिक्कत रहती है.
Let's take this across to our legal eagle this morning. Anisha Mathur is standing by to walk our viewers through what can be expected from the Supreme Court today. Very good morning to you, Anisha. You're breathing toxic air in Delhi just like me. And, you know, it is a matter of huge concern. Today, the Supreme Court is going to be hearing this particular petition. What can be expected? Can there be any respite coming in for Delhiites from this poisonous air?
Well, good morning to you. We've woken up to a slightly better morning today as compared to the last couple of mornings. But air quality in Delhi remains between very unhealthy and severe categories across AQI monitoring stations as of 7 a.m. this morning. As far as the Supreme Court hearing is concerned, at 10:30, excuse me, at 10:30, the special bench of Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Suryakant is going to hear this matter. And in the last weekend, in the last 2 days, we've seen the kind of steps that have been announced by the Delhi government and the NCR governments. Remember, the centre had been asked to make a coordinated effort, take a decision in the air quality monitoring committee so that all NCR states could take steps together. Delhi government, of course, has announced closure of schools, colleges, educational institutions till the 17th, ban on construction activities till the 20th, and has issued a work from home advisory not only to government offices but also to private offices. But apart from this, the Delhi government has also announced that the number of machines used to spray water to bring down the surface dust level is also going to be increased. All of this information will be given to the Supreme Court today. We will also see what steps are being taken by the NCR state governments and what the Central Pollution Control Board as well as the Air Quality Supervisory Committee has ordered. Remember, there is a plan in place. The GRAP plan was created about 2 years ago, which is expected to kick in the moment air quality levels in NCR are over unhealthy levels for more than 72 hours. And under this plan, construction, stoppage of construction activities and several other steps are supposed to be automatically taken. But this is exactly what the Supreme Court has asked. What steps have you taken? What steps are you going to take as mitigating measures? What is also going to be important is to see excuse me, what they say.
Clearing our throats on air is a testimony to the fact, very small example to how bad the air is and the kind of polluted air that all of us are breathing right here in the national capital, and hoping for a respite today coming in from the Supreme Court. Leave it at that. Anisha, thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details on the story.